Let's take a look what I got. Alright. Ommi Crochet Hook in blue, 4 millimeters. Oh, look at the pretty blue color. 4 millimeters G. Alright, so I got some Hobby Lobby yarn here that use 4 millimeter crochet hook. Let's see how it will work. Okay, let's see the chaining. Alright, so it's smooth. Nice, and this yarn is so soft too. Okay, let's see, double crochets. Alright, it's nice and smooth. It's so pretty as well. So nice. I'm really afraid to push it much so it doesn't snap because it's resin and resin breaks. But so far so good. Okay, I'm keeping it. Oh, I think I might get another one, 4, so I can have it in a couple of projects. I have a lot of this yarn, and this is the thickness of a yarn I like. So size 3, size 4 are sizes I typically use a lot. Okay, so actually let's try single crochets here. All right, single crochet works good as well. This is good. Very, very nice. Right. I was doing single crochets. Okay. So let's see how we'll do a bubble, because that's a stitch I use a lot. Okay, let's try one. All right. Yeah. Okay, it works. There is my bubble. Okay, not bad. It goes smooth in and out. It's nice. I like it, and it's very, very pretty. It's very, very slender here in the neck area, and I like it. Alright, so let's do some more. Let me pick different kind of yarn, maybe a little bit thicker. Oh, that's good too. All right, and I can speed. Okay, yeah, for sure. Okay, so I'm giving 2 thumbs up, 5 stars for this hook. So all good. Yep, size 4 is a good size, I think, for even for thicker yarn. If your tension is a little bit loose, you might go a size down with the hooks. And this is also a 4 weight yarn, which even though it uses 5.5, I think, or 6 millimeters, you can go with 4. So oh yeah, that's also a 4 weight yarn, and it uses 4 millimeters crochet hook. Okay, so I love it. Look at the blue and yellow. What a pretty combination. That for sure is nice.